Two.
Don't keep the ball up to the losers.
All right, 5 seconds. Gotta keep it on the base.
Get a rebound. Get a rebound.
Oh, damn. Fat.
Oh yeah. Ooh, 2-1. No.
I feel like I'm gonna get elbowed here in a second.
Get a rebound. Get a rebound. Get a rebound. Get a rebound.
No, let it out. Damn, dude, you are hard to guard.
Okay,
That's good.
Go for.
Who, me?
Yeah.
Amazing.
Oh, you're moving though. Like that's impressive. I could never freaking move.
You know how out of wind I am?
Check it up.
Man,
Okay.
you gotta take it up with me.
I know. I figured you would. I kept teasing you.
You also gotta be outside the arc. There you go. Take it up. Sorry, yellow phone. That was out on me.
Do you want to step outside the circle or just this being U shape?
Yeah, we check.
No, you can. You gotta go.
How about if I get control of the rebound, we check it up? Does that make sense? Check. Go ahead.
Check again.
Go ahead. Check. Check it up. So, just quick lesson. I stepped into this catch.
Yeah.
So right now both my feet are valid pivoting.
Okay.
Because my foot was off the ground when I caught it. So that's kind of technical. I was helping him out.
I don't know anything about basketball.
I got a rebound. I got a rebound. Oh,
4-4. All right, game point.
get a rebound. Tall man win.
I need to go running, Max. Yeah. Yeah.